Okay, section 30, we're looking at the Sage code. So I'm just going to type in what I'm seeing over here. And it's over and over again. It's really the same thing. Reset, we've been doing that, well, I guess for 30 some odd times now, right? I'm going to define X and N as variables. And I'm going to say var. And X is a variable. And N is a variable. All right. Now, this looks a little strange to me. Assume. And it says assume N. And this thing over here, it looks strange to me. And I'm going to say it does look strange. All right. So let's see if it generates an error, though. Okay. I'm going to say, looking at that, that looks like to me, it looks like N is not going to be -1. Now, I'm going to say that I think a lot of students at this level are taking at least one or more computer programming languages. So I'm going to say you might have seen this symbol before. Right, that's probably more typical. Let's see if this is okay. I don't even know if Sage understands this, but this is sort of like what you do in computer programming. Wow, it understood that one too. So what does it say? It says assume N is not -1. What could N be then? Any other number in the universe. It can't be -1 though. All right. All right, let's go through this. And what I want to do is integrate. And integrate is going to find the antiderivative of X to the N. Remember, N can't be -1 with respect to X. Well, that's the form we were expecting. That's the form we got in the notes, by the way. All right. Now, if someone says, why do you assume N not to be -1? If it were, I'd have division by 0. That'd be bad news. Now, let's see if it is -1. What would it give us? The power -1. Whoops. Again, with respect to X. Well, it gives me log. Remember, log in Sage means natural log. Okay. All right, integrate. What are we integrating? E to the X. The XP, X with respect to X. E to the X. We were expecting that. Integrate. Cosine. Find the antiderivative with respect to X. Sine X. And you could do this game all day long, including really difficult ones. All right. Integrate. By the way, these are not difficult ones, but you may not be up to speed at this point with these problems. This may be magic to you. Secant X times tangent X. Yes, I'm looking at the notes. I know it's hard to see that. I'll pull it on the side so you can see it better. X. 1 over cosine X, which we know is secant of X. Okay. Let's do diff. 1 over cosine secant, right? Respect to X. Yeah, that's not remarkable, is it? We're expecting that, secant X tan X. All right. What's this related to? This section of the notes, the antiderivative section. So integrate saying, give me the antiderivative of those functions. For example, the antiderivative of e to the X is e to the X. What's it missing? A constant. Let's not worry about that. It didn't write the constant down, but they're always going to differ by a constant. All right. So that's about it. Just an introduction to using Sage, not just to differentiate, but to anti-differentiate. All right. And the Sage command there is integrate for anti-differentiate. Thank you.